Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Pharos Airdrop. We will teach you how to join Pharos Airdrop, how to claim Pharos Testnet tokens, and how to complete tasks step by step. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't skip any section. With that being said, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. If you want to join Pharos Airdrop, I will leave the link down below in the description box. Copy that link and then open Mises browser and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page, and to join you need to connect your wallet. So click on Connect Wallet on the top right corner and choose whatever wallet that you want. I recommend you to use MetaMask. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then click on Switch. They will show you this message to add Pharos Testnet network to your wallet. So click on Approve. Now click on Continue. Next, click on Confirm. Then you will land on this page, and if you scroll down a little bit, as you see, you need to log in into your account every day and click on Check In to earn points. And if you keep scrolling, here are the on-chain tasks. I will show you how to complete them step by step, so keep watching. Next, we have social tasks. Also, you need to complete all of them to be eligible for the airdrop. Let me show you how to complete social tasks first. Let's start with the first one. Make sure to log into your X account first, and then come here and click on Follow. They will show you this message, so click on Authorize App. Then go back here and click on Follow again, and follow their account on X platform. Now let's go back to Pharos Airdrop dashboard. Click on Verify, and well done. You can complete the second and the third tasks in the same way, but for now let me show you how to join their Discord server. Also make sure to log in into your Discord account first, and then come here and click on Join. You will be redirected to this page, so keep scrolling till the end and click on Authorize. Go back here again and click on Join. Then click on Accept Invite. And you will land on this page. If you zoom in a little bit, on the left side there is a section called Verify. Click on it. They will show you this message. So click on Verify and solve the CAPTCHA, and when you are done, go back to the dashboard and click on Verify. And now, to complete the on-chain tasks, you need first to claim the Pharos Testnet tokens, and let me show you how to do that. Click on the three lines on the top right corner. Then choose Home. You will land on this page, and if you scroll down a little bit, under the Get Started section, you need to solve the CAPTCHA. and then click on Claim Now. Make sure to come here every 24 hours to claim the testnet tokens as I showed you before. Now click on the three lines again and choose Experience. You will land on this page again, and if you scroll down a little bit, let me show you how to complete the first task, which is swap. You can choose between Zenith Network and Pharos Swap, but in my case I'm gonna choose Zenith. So click on the first swap button. You will be redirected to this website, and first you need to connect the same wallet that you used before. So click on Connect and choose MetaMask. Click on Connect. Now in the second box, click on Select Token, and here you can choose whatever token that you want, but I recommend you to choose USDT or USDC. And as you see, in the first box I have about 0.2 tokens that I have just claimed. And when you want to swap, make sure to use only small amounts of tokens, because you need to swap as much as you can. So don't use all your tokens at once. Then wait a few seconds, and if you scroll down a little bit, click on Swap. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm Swap. They will show you another message. Just scroll down and click on Confirm. Now let me show you how to complete the second task, Provide Liquidity. So click on the first deposit button. You will land on this page, so click on New Pool. Next, click on Select a Token and choose the same tokens that we have swapped to before. In my case it's USDT. And for the fee tier, make sure to use this one on the left side. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can type in any numbers in these boxes, but in my case, as you see, I have about 0.4 USDT, so I'm gonna choose 0.2. And if we scroll down a little bit, as you see, the current price is about 438. Keep that number in your mind. Now if you scroll down a little bit, in the low price section you can choose any number less than the current price, like 437. And in the high price, make sure to choose a number that more than the current price. And when you are done, click on Approve USDT. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and let me show you how to complete the Send to Friends task. So click on Send. They will show you this message. In the first box you need to type in the amounts of tokens that you want to send, and in the second box the recipient address. Try always to send small amount of tokens. You can use those suggestions if you want. And for the address, I'm gonna leave my address down below in the description box. Copy it and paste it here in the second box and click on Send. They will show you this message, so click on Confirm. For the Invite Friends task, just click on Invite and send your referral link to anyone that you want to join the Pharos Airdrop. But for now, let me show you how to complete the next task, Pharos Identity Service. So click on Buy. You will land on this page. Click on Accept. And inside this box, you can type in any name that you want. Let me show you. For example, I'm gonna choose my channel name, Money Hunters. And when you finish, click on the first result. Next, you will land on this page, and if you scroll down a little bit, they will show you some details about this domain name. Right now, I'm gonna buy it just for 1 year, but if you want to increase the time, you can use these two buttons. Let me show you. For example, let's choose 10 years. And if you scroll down, click on connect and connect the same wallet that we used before. In my case, it's MetaMask. They will show you this message. Click on connect. Then go back to this page and scroll down a little bit and click on next. Click again on next. And when you land on this page, just scroll all the way down and click on begin. Then click on open wallet. They will show you this message, so click on confirm. And now wait until the countdown ends. Now click on complete registration. Click again on open wallet. They will show you this message, so click on confirm. Wait a few seconds. And congratulations, we have successfully bought this domain name. Let's complete the last task, collect NFTs. So click on mint. You will be redirected to this website. And first, you need to connect your wallet. So click on connect on top of the screen. And connect the same wallet that we used before. They will show you this message, so click on connect. Next, click on mint now. You will land on this page. Just scroll down a little bit and click again on mint. They will show you this message, so click on confirm. Now, let me show you how to check out your progress in Pharos Airdrop. But first, you need to copy your wallet address. So click on the wallet address on top of the screen. They will show you this page, so click on this wallet address to copy it. Now go to this website. I will leave the link for this website down below in the description box, and paste your wallet address into this box. Then click on check statistics. Now if we scroll down a little bit, as you see, I have about 3,390 points and I am in level 3. And if we keep scrolling, they will show you some statistics about your account. Make sure to complete all these tasks as I showed you before. And here are some information that I have found in their Discord server about how you can earn points in Pharos Airdrop. I recommend you to focus on send to friends, swaps, and adding liquidity. Because for example, every time you swap 91 times on Zenith network, they will give you 1000 points. So make sure to complete all these tasks every day multiple times to earn more points. Also, if you want to be eligible for Pharos Airdrop, you should reach to level 4. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Pharos Airdrop. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to support us, like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channels. Also, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. See you soon, guys. Good luck.